Hello everyone, my name is Alex AI generated, and today Abdi is using me to translate some parts of this video. Let's give him support by subscribing and watching. But before that, this is what is coming up next.
As you can see, we are back on the stage, and I am just waiting for the customers here with my friend here, Uncle Sam. Maybe you can tell people hi, introduce yourself. Tunaongea. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abdi or Abdi Kenya TV. How are you guys doing? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy that to see you are back watching my videos because you like them. So as you can see, today I am in this town where you can see at the junction of Sagana and Baricho. So this place is very noisy because of a lot motorbike crossing. Yeah guys, today we have another new video, and this video will be interesting. So let us be together to this video up to the end. Yeah.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Yeah guys, as you can see, we are back on the stage, and I am just waiting for the customers here with my friend here, Uncle Sam. Maybe you can tell people hi, introduce yourself. Tunaongeanga tu Kizungu. Yeah, so guys, I am in Sagana. This is the place where we used to stay. The name of this place is Pikash. Yeah.
Sorry guys, this place was very noisy. I decided to take some late breakfast at this Kib and Gayer hotel. Most of time I find myself even skipping breakfast, but I take all of it at once. By the way, the good thing about this place, food is very cheap and affordable. Anyone can afford it as long as you have a half a dollar in your pocket. This types of places are very popular and people use it as a cafe joint. No menu here, they ask you what can we offer you. You ask them what do you have. For me, I choose chapati mix, most popular and loved food in Kenya. Organic food, no KFC or chicken burger here. Vegetables and beans. Another thing not for beginners or weak stomach. Most of these places aren't that clean, hygienic. You will end up having food poisoning. Not advisable for everyone.
Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the AI. I'm trying to edit and yeah. Guys, I am back home. Yeah. The day was very nice. I came home like 2 hours ago, so my phone turned off. It is safe because the charger, it wanted a charger. So guys, I'm back home. Have you enjoyed the video? Do you want my videos more? Yeah, I know most of you are enjoying my videos, and yeah, we'll continue doing small parts of videos because now I'm trying to bring the confidence that I had like 6 months ago. I had a friend called Only Mavera was here. He surprised us. Kizungu nayo ngumu. So what I'm trying to say is that like 6 months ago we had a friend called Only Mavera. He was here and he surprised me and we did a video together. If you have not watched that video, go and watch it back. So at that time I was so excited and I was so motivated to do videos on public, not scared. But right now, after some few months, the confidence has gone down. But I believe the more I do the videos like this, pole, I believe everything will be fine. So yeah, I'm trying my best to come back on YouTube to do serious vlogging, to record anywhere. I just want to be comfortable so that I can record everywhere, because now there is that shyness, or what can I say, that confidence that you must have as a YouTuber to face. Yeah, so guys, I hope you have enjoyed my video. I'm just trying to do it more enjoyable by adding some AI, some music background. So yeah, maybe you will enjoy it. So as you can see right now is 12 at the midday, or what is midday. So I'm just resting because today is Sunday. No more jobs going around. People are also resting. They don't go to jobs most of these days on Sunday and Saturday. So even me, I took a part and I just create videos, watch some videos of Aya Marwa, Obina, the people who always inspire me on YouTube journey. So guys, I'm so happy that I am back, and you always appreciate me by watching my videos, because last time when I was doing videos, it ended up having like 4 to 3 views, but today or yesterday, I think it is yesterday, I posted a video, and right now I believe it is 35 views. Imagine, there is a time when I was posting a video, it took like a week to reach 30 views. So that shows that people are enjoying and consuming my content. So if you enjoy my video, make sure subscribe, like and share so that we can grow together on this journey. Yeah, I'm trying my best to learn English, to talk English. Yeah, and we are together. You will see it, the results. So I believe I can do it. But before that, make sure subscribe, like, and share. Road to success, like Gethiriba said. Yeah. Hello Gethiriba, I know you are watching my videos. Thank you so much. I really like and want your support. Yeah, you really inspire me. Marwa, Gethiriba, I am Mayuguno, Uncle Mo. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. Let us meet on the next video today. I expected more visitors here at this place. You know, we are celebrating before. You know, I feel to end the video, but I feel like I have some more things to tell you, but I will tell you pole. So we are celebrating. We are Muslims, so we are enjoying Eidul Arafah or Eidul Fitri. So people are eating meats here. So I had some friends coming, but the plan is not how I was planned, so we have to cancel it for next time. So guys, make sure subscribe for my videos, because when you subscribe you give me confidence and that motivation to do more videos to bring for you. So bye bye, let me just get in and watch Ayamaro latest video. Wow.
My lord, I wonder. Yeah? I wonder.